Hi everybody, Jeff.Wilson here with Guaranty RV Supercenters, and today I'd like to present to you a 2015 Winnebago Vista. This is a 36Y. Let's start by taking a look inside. So now we're in a 36-footer and a nice big open floor plan as we're sliding out here right behind the cab and into the kitchen area. So that really opens up with the another slide out on the door side of the coach over here. So as we push everything apart, really gives us a grand room here. With both the captain's chairs, as you can spin those around, creates a nice opportunity for discussion and having a little lounge area. We got a pull-out map table for the passenger, and then hydraulic level up system with an automatic feature there on a Ford chassis. This one was built on a 22,000 pound chassis, I believe, and just overall an excellent coach. So your TV is on a televator up and down straight across from the sofa, so if you guys are catching a movie, you know, real easy for your television and easy viewing. And then the chairs at the dinette right here makes easy with the pull-out table. So you can get a little bit bigger dinette, probably even add a leaf back in there. And then into the kitchen area, they've done a residential style refrigerator. So this is not an RV fridge, it's going to be 110 power only. And they have a built-in inverter in order to pull power from the battery pack and turn it into the 110 power. So in the residential fridge, a little bit bigger. In the freezer and fridge area. So bring more goodies with you. That's got an ice maker. And then into the kitchen, you got the LP gas oven still, and a 3-burner cooktop with a very large microwave overhead. So good storage in here. You got a nice cabinet with a pull-out drawer underneath. That was a good idea. And then a big drawer for pots and pans. And we have more deep storage side of the refrigerator. Again, pull-out drawers below. So real handy and makes that access quite a bit easier. And then a double basin sink. And a one-touch faucet here. So easy to use. Kind of a little raised bar over there if you're entertaining. And another bank of drawers here to the left. 110 outlet, so access there. And then another 110 outlet back over here for appliances, if need be. With additional just little storage nooks overhead. Maybe cups up there. And then into the back. So as we look into the bathroom, got a nice big shower in here with the skylight. And then good access to the sink here. For brushing your teeth, putting on the shave. A little bit of storage behind the mirror. And you gotta like the corner mounted potty. It's got the washout sprayer. And then a little bit of storage in here for linens. Whatever you might need to bring for that space. Coming around into the bedroom, if you take a look back here, king bed in the bedroom. And now we're sliding out at the foot of the bed for a closet. And that's got good hanging room in the closet, slide out. And built-in lowboy drawers underneath. Very nice. And then if you want entertainment at night, I think we've got the drop-down television. So that's kind of handy. I like that setup. Yeah, let's take a peek outside. Double grab bar, so here and here for coming down. And then the entry assist handle once you're outside. So the condition on the coach on the exterior, it's got a color infused fiberglass sidewall exterior. And the luster, the weather has got to this coach just a little bit. I've got a little bit of oxidation showing on that color infused fiberglass. But all in all, it shows very, very well. Outside entertainment. So a little pull out and drop down TV and more storage underneath that television. We've got good storage here under the water tank. 5500 Onan generator. Okay, so we're going to get back to this other side. We're showing oxidation here at the back of the coach. We got a little bit of oxidation coming here, so it has had some weather. Hookups to the water area and your power. And then right here, then you're going to have, that's that built-in inverter to run the refrigerator. And then an extra big bank of batteries. This has got a bank of 4 nice big batteries. All in all, an excellent coach. I don't think the oxidation is going to bother you too much on what you're looking at here. 2015 Winnebago Vista in a 36Y. If you're interested in this coach, please give us a call here at the number listed below.